Hey everybody, it's Don Snyder from Priority Home Lending coming to you with another market update. Now typically when we talk about numbers being down, everybody's going to assume that that's a negative thing and they're not going to be all that happy. But today I want to talk to you about 4 different numbers that are currently down but actually represent a great opportunity for buyers and for the mortgage market in general. So first and foremost is price growth, right? Everybody's been talking about it for months and months, if not a couple of years, how price growth is completely out of control and homes are appreciating at a value that's faster than what the market can keep up with, and it's pricing lower price buyers out of the home buying market. So in 2018, we saw market growth at about 4.7% as indicated by Case Logic. And they're saying that in 2018, we're going to see a significant decline in the home price appreciation, and it's going to be at 3.4%. That's coming back to what a lot of us would consider to be a healthy market. Now, don't take that to mean that home prices are going down. They are absolutely not in most markets. They are continuing to appreciate in value, but at a more normalized, some would consider healthier rate that's not going to push so many of those lower priced buyers out of the market, and it's going to keep more home buyers or more homes available for more buyers going forward. So that's pretty exciting news, which leads us to our next point. Still on the theme of affordability is that rates are continuing to be low. Now, I've been saying for a long time that the moment you start predicting interest rates and where they're going to go is the moment you need to be prepared to be very wrong. Now, we've seen that be the case since about this time last year when mortgage rates started to inch up gradually. But what do we have? Now they're going back down. Now, it's not a steady decline, but as of right now, we're sitting at roughly a 10-month low in rates, which means that as far as your mortgage is concerned, home affordability is what it was in the spring of last year. Pretty exciting stuff. So right now, the average prime offer rate is sitting at about 4.4%, which is really affordable money in terms of being able to get a mortgage. In a historical context, it's extremely, extremely low interest rate. The next number that's down that's really exciting is delinquencies. Now, this is an indicator of market health, and it's been a number that's been going down for quite some time. But right now, according to Case Logic, the rate of delinquencies, this is mortgages that are 30 plus days delinquent on their payment, is sitting around 4%. That represents an 18-year low. That means delinquencies have not been this low since significantly before the crash. That's really great in terms of market health, and it says a lot about how the lending industry is responding to our current market and making sure that the loans that are being given are appropriate to the buyers. Brings us to point number 4, number 4 that has been going down, and that is mortgage credit availability. This is an indicator of how easy or how difficult it is to obtain a loan, whether that be a government-backed loan, a conventional, or even a jumbo. December saw a dramatic decrease in the mortgage credit availability index. This is important because it is going to shut some people out of the market, but at the same time it's important because we can't make credit available to anybody without endangering the market. So in January, it did increase 2.3%, right? So we're seeing normalization again, and right now that index sits at about 1.79. It was indexed at 100 points in 2012. So what we see is a gradual increase of the credit envelope, more people being able to obtain these reasonable mortgage products without going out of control like it was in 2007. So there you have it, 4 numbers that have actually gone down, which means great things for home buyers and for the mortgage market in general. If you have any questions, all of my contact information is on my info page. Give me a call, shoot me a text message, and we'll go out to coffee and discuss it.